Deleting cell content in Excel is super simple. First, to delete the cell's content, just select the cell and hit the Delete key. Voila, content's gone. But what if you need to remove more? To delete cell formats, select the cell, then go to the Home tab, click Clear, and choose Clear Formats. Your cell's style will reset. Got comments or notes cluttering your sheet? No problem. Go to the Home tab, click Clear, and choose Clear Comments and Notes. Poof, clean as a whistle. And those pesky hyperlinks? Go to the Home tab, click Clear, and select Clear Hyperlinks. Clear Hyperlinks option clear the hyperlinks from the selected cells, but the formatting is not cleared. To remove the hyperlinks and formatting, go to the Home tab, click Clear, and select Remove Hyperlinks. Easy peasy. And if you want to clear everything in a cell, go to the Home tab, click Clear, and select Clear All. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Happy spreadsheeting!